So hello guys, today we are having
It look red. Cat.
no
Cat.
you know which cat?
No, like cat the video.
No. Oh, I thought you were talking about the cat.
Wow.
Now, right now, we are from having the most delicious thing.
Yes.
As you can see, I'm still struggling with the age of the, what is this? What's the name of this thing?
Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Chicken.
Oh, chicken.
Just chew the bone, it's okay.
It's chewable.
Just chew the, yeah, it's
It is chewable.
Yes. It's really edible. An African man has to eat chicken that way.
But no,
How do I know you guys by the way?
Wait, you don't know us?
Look who is talking. Look who's talking.
Merabana, this thing is delicious. Aye.
You see what is happening? Do I need to swallow the bones?
No. Yes, you're supposed to chew and swallow them.
Okay.
So that you don't have dry bones.
Wow. See the joke?
Oh yeah? Repeat it again. Repeat it again.
Swallow the bones so that you don't have dry bones.
So right now I have wet bones. Let me dry my bones.